Holy fuck. It's snowing. It's snowing and it's fucking thundering. Man, this storm is gonna be wicked. This is for all the sinners. You guys made this happen. Look at this shit. How about that? Only here, Minnesota. This shit is happening. I just had a meeting about being. Oh man, I just had a meeting and I can't discuss it. But I'm very, very disgusted. All the bullshit, and all the things happening in this town. So I'm gonna pause right here and I'm gonna save my insanity while everybody is going crazy. So bye.